All right. Well, hello everybody. Um, can, my name is Cam. I am a trader out of Kentucky in the United States. I am part of the Genius Trading Masterclass, and have been for a very long time. Well, long for me. It's probably been 8 months, maybe. Um, I don't really know how much time, but yeah. One of the reasons why I had joined the masterclass was because Raphael came up as a video suggestion on my YouTube. And it was during a period where I was kind of looking for a mentor, and kind of just formulating my trading and kind of understanding how I can extract the most money out of the market and be successful. And over time, I kind of just watched all of his videos and kind of started to understand his trading plan and how he kind of gets in and out. So um, kind of I kind of watched his one of his like original videos, kind of where he kind of introduced who he was, and what he had to go through to be successful, what it takes, and kind of how he manages to be successful in the markets. And so that was kind of one of the reasons why I was drawn to him specifically in his group, was because I kind of wanted to know how he was able to make a bunch of a nice return on the markets over extended period amount of time without risking too much. So one of the most important parts of the Genius Trading course is probably market psychology. I mean, he goes through pretty much everything from price structure to reversals to pretty much anything to supply and demand. But one of the most underrated parts of the master class is definitely got to be the market psychology, because market psychology kicks in when you have something to lose. So when you have something to lose, then you start to be very tedious about when you take out your positions, how much you put in, how much risk you put in, and how much money you make. So that's probably one of the most important part of the class, and you can't really formulate your trading plan without something to risk, without something to lose. And so I would personally suggest that you trade with a small live account, or you do the cheapest trial, maybe like a $5,000 evaluation to, have something to lose in your trading plan, and kind of formulate the way you think during a trade and what you can do to mitigate risk. My financial goal as a trader is to basically, I just passed my phase one Friday. I made 8% between Monday and Friday. And so I want to complete my phase two this week or next week. I only have to make 5% for my Forex funds, $10,000 eval. But I want to be able to trade a $400,000 account in the next 2 years. I think when I pass this eval and I trade for the next month or two and get some payouts, I want to be able to scale up my plan to $25,000 plan, or a $50,000 or a $100,000 plan in the next few months, because I'd rather make 10% on a $50,000 or a $100,000 account than a $10,000 one. But as long as you're consistent and you're profitable, I think it's really important that you scale up to bigger plans. So that's my financial goal upcoming as a trader. Would I recommend this class to friends or family? I have. I've recommended it to a personal friend of mine, and my mom, who is a stock trader. Things are a little bit different in the stock market, but I would definitely. I told them I've recommended it. They really like the way I trade and formulate my trades, and they've considered it, but they're very focused on their own stuff right now, which I completely get. But if you're going to be trading anything Forex or anything like trading the Nasdaq, I would completely suggest that you would recommend this to families and friends, because in the long run, you're going to go through losses, and you're going to go through a lot of periods of self-doubt and frustration, but it's definitely worth it. So I'm going to end this video with three main points. Number one, get your psychology right. Trade with a live account if you're confident enough that your trading plan works. Add some type of risk, add something that you can lose, right? Um, I've blown many live accounts and many demos, but more importantly, I formulated my market psychology by doing the cheapest evaluation program, which is, I think my Forex Funds just came out with a $5,000 one. So put some risk on the table. Don't be afraid to take some losses, as long as it fits your trading plan. Number two would be to back test your trading plan. So I think TradingView, it's only 15 bucks a month to be able to replay price structure. What I did was I went to the Raphael's channel and looked at all of his past trades, and so I back tested all of my entries when he would get in, and I kind of back tested when I would get in, how I would get in, where I would mitigate risk. And so I kind of formulated my trading plan by doing that and by back testing all my strategy, making sure I'm not risking too much, but making sure that I'm catching the move and getting a decent position in. The last thing I would say would just stay dedicated. I mean, I've been trading for about 2 years now. I've been trading Forex for about over a year, and it's, there's a lot of times where you're going to get frustrated and you're going to get down on yourself and you're going to want to quit, and it's okay to take breaks. I took a few weeks of break, a few weeks I had taken off because I just kind of wanted to get my mind right, wanted to take a break. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to take some losses. It's, these losses is reason why 99% of the traders on the market lose and, quit within the first year. They're going to quit because they just can't get it right, and, they kind of fold under pressure. But pressure forms diamonds, and if you keep your nose down and you keep yourself dedicated, for me, I'm very religious, so I like to do a lot of prayer. I like to spend a lot of my time with God and kind of go to Him for for everything, basically. So He's helped me a lot to get through all these challenges and to get through all of these tough times. So it's a lot easier when I find refuge in Him and stay dedicated. So stay dedicated, formulate your trading plan, back test it, get inside the Genius Trading team. It's gonna be worth it in the end. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm on Discord. My name on Discord is Cam with 2 M's, CAMM, Cam on Discord. So if you want to reach out, feel free. I try to help as much as I can. I try to share as many trades as I possibly can throughout the New York session. So if you guys have any questions, reach out to me. I really appreciate it, Raphael, if you're watching this. Hoping to see you guys soon.